Hi guys, it's David, Win August University here, and today I want to talk about Lux Algo, my adventures with it. I'm personally loving this product. I'm personally loving the way it gives me buy and sell signals. If I choose to use them or not, I can customize my whole experience here with different settings, and it's just an overall great product. So today I'm going to talk a little bit about it, my experience with it. And what I plan to do with it moving forward, so you guys can better educate yourselves in the product, so you guys can take action and purchase if you're interested, if you see the value. Okay, so as you can see, it's on desktop and mobile. It takes out the emotions and the noisy charts away, cleans things up for you, so that you can make the right decisions unemotionally, right? Something I get in trouble with is getting emotional about certain projects. Sometimes it's just good to look at the fundamentals, good to look at the charts, and then take action, all right? So this has been in the works for a while. It's been available for a while. This is actually version 3 on the platform. Once again, it's desktop and mobile ready. See through the noise and get better signals. So I like it personally. It comes with a Discord group with trade signals as well and expert traders in there. So you get access to every Lux Algo indicator on TradingView. You are going to use TradingView, by the way, which I'll show you soon. Access to every Lux Algo indicator in TradingView. VIP Discord group with scanners and callouts, real-time alerts. The list continues. Now, if you guys are interested in buying, here are your options here. Now, there's a yearly plan, which if you're going to go all in on trading, guys, take the yearly plan because you're saving 40%. Plus, I have a code that I'm going to put in the description and the comment section, so you guys get 20% off. That means you get 40 plus 20 off, which is amazing. Or you can just do the quarterly plan where you get a 30% savings. If you don't want to save at all, you can just do the monthly and kind of tiptoe in, which is fine too. I get it. You're just learning the system, but I think quarterly and the yearly plans are better value because if you're going to be trading, I'm loving the tool. Get the best value you can. But if you want to just spend a little bit of money right now, which will be a lot more money later, do the monthly, okay? So I use this for trading crypto. I use this for trading stock market. So stock market's been shut down for the last weekend and holiday today, but it's going to be up and running tomorrow, and I'm excited to trade the markets tomorrow. So I have a lot of different things that I watch here. This is the graph. It's a cryptocurrency that I've been following. You can look at the 30-minute view, the 15-minute view on TradingView, and then I put in the algorithms here, the Lux Algo Premium here, and you can adjust these settings by going to settings and change sensitivity levels based on your trading style and agility as well. I like to have a lower number here when I'm looking at the shorter charts, like the 15-minute, 5-minute window. And then the longer scale, I'll up it a little bit, but it works. It seems to be working at the sensitivity levels, even on the 30-minute view, hour view, etc. So this is the graph. You can see the exact buy signals of where that momentum is starting to move upwards. Okay, so if you bought in here at 1.9, you could have decided to take some profit at the 2.28 here. Okay. Same with if you go back in time here, buy signals here, right at 1.009, you could have sold there. And if you actually increase this, if you increase the settings here, let's go back to that so I can show you guys. The agility, you can increase it so it's not as sensitive. So instead of triggering right here, it would have waited for this trigger here. Okay. So I'm gonna raise that to, like, say 35 instead. Right? You see how there's some adjustments here, right? Which in this chart it might be better, right? But you can adjust the way you want, and on the Lux Algo website gives you all kinds of adjustments based on what they recommend. Okay, this is just what I use. You can do what you want. But I do like this. It works the same way on the 15-minute timer here. on the 15-minute graph. But pretty accurate, guys. Pretty accurate on the signals, if I can say so myself. So if you did this for just simply day trading, you can get in, get out, get in, get out, take your profits with you, okay? I do believe in long-term holds in the cryptocurrency market, but in this altcoin market right now, you can definitely make some fast gains, okay? I like to track Ethereum and see what Ethereum is doing. So in this case, you could have got in Ethereum at around 1707, sold at 1816, made your profit of about $100 per Ethereum. All right. It told you to warn you to get out of here and sell right there, and would have told you to buy there as well. So I have two different algorithms on right now, which can be a little bit confusing. It's the confirmation or the contrarian mode, and you can play with both settings. So it's a little cleaner, as you can see, right? I'm going to turn off the confirmation and just do contrarian. Okay, and just do contrarian there. And you can go on the website and kind of see all the different settings that make sense for you here. So let's go back to the 30-minute window here. All right, guys. So make sure you adjust to all the settings that you want for sensitivity and agility based on your trading style, okay? Based on your trading style. If this doesn't confuse you, you can have both modes on as well, which I personally do like. Now let's go into stocks for a moment. If you guys like to trade stocks, I like trading Tesla, Apple. You can see the same signals here when it tells you to buy and sell. All right. So let's go back. Let's go back here. All right. And it's not perfect by any means, but if you bought in here, you held long enough before and then you get the sell signal, you would have made quite a bit of profit here, right? Same thing goes for the bottom here, 796, and then you sold here at 834. That's a big profit. Now I have it on very sensitive, so if you would have lowered your sensitivity here, then it would have told you to sell at the top, so you would have made way more profit. Okay, so like I said, use this as a guideline. Don't use this as a, just a straight copy. You're not a robot. We don't expect you to copy every move, but this does help you look at the market overall. You can use it for Forex as well, as you guys can see, right? If you're trading on leverage with Forex, then you can better understand the times to get in and out as well. All right. I use it for Ethereum, Bitcoin, and some stocks, like any stock really. But I mostly trade Tesla. I have some other stocks as well, as you guys can see here. MicroStrategy. Oh, MicroStrategy signals are pretty good, pretty much on point as well, right? Now, I don't recommend having both contrarian and confirmation, okay? There you go. Cleans things up a little bit for you. Yeah, I just wanted to show you two settings. So, yeah, so this is Lux Algo. Personally, do you want if you want my recommendation or not? I'm pretty much in love with the software. I would, I use it each and every day when I scout out the charts. Each and every day when I scout out the new altcoins that I'm looking at in my cryptocurrency portfolio. When it's when it's a time for day trading stock, I'm using this. It's just nonstop, been backing me up with helping me make reasonable decisions and helping me get out before the dips as well. So if you guys want to take action on the yearly plan, $489, quarterly is $143 every 3 months, or you can pay $67 a month, which is good if you want to tiptoe in. But if you know you're going to be trading, honestly, go with the quarterly or even the yearly. I know it's more money there, but you're going to get 40% off. Plus, I have a code for 20% off. I'm going to include in the description below and in the comment section. You guys buy whatever you want if you decide to get into Lux Algo. Like I said, I'm loving it personally. It's not the same without it. And I'm going to continue to use this each and every day for my trading, okay? Just to see what's going on. All right, so if you guys want to take action on this, click on the link below. Please hit the like button. Please hit the subscribe button. I'm going to be doing a $100 giveaway when I hit 2K subscribers, okay? To help me get to 2K subscribers. And that giveaway is going to be requirement is subscribe, hit notification bell, hit the like button on any of my videos, and comment I got in. Now, I'm not going to really do the draw until I get closer to the 2,000, but just letting you guys know early, so subscribe now, and I'll be doing a big announcement of the giveaway when it gets closer to 2K, okay? Appreciate you guys checking out the Lux Algo review and breakdown, and I'll see you guys in the next one.